for coming out. You could have been anywhere. Small Change in the building.
Small Change.
Blake, all the performers, everyone that came out to share their talents, their love, their joy with us and with the patients. We can't thank you enough for sharing your time, for giving your love. It's so important. It means the world. So whoever has not donated blood and that is 17 years and older, we are asking you to please make a sacrifice. If you look behind you in that window, there's kids out there that need you. Okay, so I'm just asking you guys. First and foremost, I thank you for coming, but I'm asking you because it's serious. And it means the world to them. It gives them an opportunity at life. Okay, so I thank you. I don't mean to come up here and be a big baby, but...
Now I gotta go down there now. Really?
But that is why we're here. That is what Richie Cares is about, making a difference and creating possibilities of hope for children. For those that want to help out with a Imagine Me bedroom makeover, please let us know. It's one of the most wonderful experiences you could ever see, to have a child come home from the hospital that's been there for weeks, sometimes months, come home to a room that's completely remodeled. So for anyone that wants to participate in that, please let us know. Just any of our programs that we offer, you guys are more than welcome. We always need volunteers. We always need supporters. We always need donations, because we can't run the program without that. So Children's Hospital, Raul, where is he?
Raul.
He's not even in here. But Children's Hospital, Raul Gonzalez, we worked on this blood drive. It's turning out to be a wonderful success. Everyone here that works at Children's Hospital, Lynn Logwood, my girl, in the back. Raise your hand, Lynn. Love you. Woo! Poetry, Justin, Easy, everyone that's all the cameras that support us. I love you guys and thank you.
Give it up for